Now, how to balance a chemical equation, we'll discuss through examples. When hydrogen and oxygen combines, we'll get water, that everyone you know. See, when hydrogen combines with oxygen, we will get water. So this sentence we must write in the equation form. So hydrogen means H2 plus O2 gives H2O. This you must balance it. Why you must balance? Already we discussed, according to the law of conservation of mass, the mass or the number of atoms before the reaction and the number of atoms after the reaction must be same. So that's why we must balance it. Now step 1. What is step 1? What is the reaction is taking place, that you must write it in the step 1. So here in the step 1, first I am writing hydrogen plus oxygen gives rise to water. In this, it is not balanced. See, here oxygen is 2 are there, in the reactant side only 1 is there. So it is not balanced. So in the step 1, always we will take the unbalanced equation only. We will take that unbalanced equation and we'll start balancing that. So that unbalanced equation is known as skeleton equation. We'll call it as skeleton equation. This is very important in bits. The unbalanced chemical equation is known as dash. Is known as skeleton equation. So in the step 1, you must write it as unbalanced or skeleton equation. In the step 1, you must write it unbalanced or the skeleton equation. So step 1 finished. Now step 2. In the step 2, you first write in the reactant side and the product side how many number of atoms of the particular elements are there. First you write it in the tabular form and then you must balance it. So in the next one, we have to write we should start the balancing. Before balancing that, we must write the number of atoms on the left hand side and the number of atoms on the right hand side. This is before balancing. Before balancing. Next here, you must write it as elements. Next, your number of atoms in the left hand side and right hand side. Left LHS, right hand side RHS in the short form. Now in this equation, what are the elements are given? Hydrogen. So you start first with hydrogen. This hydrogen element in the left hand side, how many are there? Number of atoms. Whatever the subscript is written to a particular element, that it indicates the number of atoms of that particular element. Here H2 is given. 2 represents the subscript. This 2 number represents that 2 atoms of hydrogen element. So here LHS2 are there. Now coming to the right hand side, here also H2 is there. So 2 belongs to only hydrogen. It does not belongs to oxygen. So your right hand side also 2. Next, take oxygen. How many are there? 2 are there. But on the right hand side, how many are there? Only 1. So here you must balance. Hydrogen is balanced. You must balance the oxygen. So how to balance it? By trial and error method. By trial and error method, you must start balancing. Again for that, I will write it here. H2 plus O2 gives rise H2O. Again, for balancing, again you write the equation. When you are writing here 2 to balance, here oxygen 1 is there, here 2 are there. So this right hand side, when you multiply with the 2, you will get here, to get 2 oxygens, you must write multiply with the 2. When you multiply with the 2, you will get the 2 oxygens. But while you are writing the number, that you should not write here in the subscript part. That is wrong. Why? Because whatever the compound here water is formed, always it has a fixed ratio. When two atoms of hydrogen combines with one atom of oxygen, then only we will get water. So that ratio you should not change. General example I will give you. For cooking of food, you will take 1 glass of rice, and to cook that you will take 2 glasses of water. When you take like this 1:2 ratio, you can cook rice nicely. But if you take less amount of water or more amount of water, if you take less, you know that rice is not cooked. And if you take more quantity, you will get pasty only. So if you take the correct ratio, then only you will get compound, means that ratio is fixed here. To formation of water, that ratio is fixed, that always 2:1. So when you are writing that, after when you are balancing the equation, when you are writing the number, that you should not represent here in the subscript part. When you represent here, you are changing the ratio, that we should not change the ratio. So that's why instead of this, whatever the number you are multiplying, you are adding to that particular atom, that you must write it in the coefficient of that compound. So here oxygen is there, so you must multiply with the 2. So the 2 number you must write as the coefficient of this compound. Understood? So you must write always as a coefficient. You should not write it here near that particular element as a subscript. It is very important. The reason also just now I explained. Now coming to this. Coming to this, once again we will write the same table. Here after balancing, children, from the lesson 2 onwards, whatever the equations I am writing on the board, you must copy in your classwork. I will not give notes. So like stepwise you must copy in your notes. Again, after balancing, once again we will check it whether the number of atoms in the right and left are equal or not. So here hydrogen and one more is oxygen. Left hand side 2 are there. Right hand side how many are there? Right hand side how many are there? Here 2 into 2 4 are there. 2 into 2 4 are there. So you must balance here left hand side. So equation is not balanced. Still you have to balance it. So for that we have to multiply to get 4 hydrogens. We should multiply with the 2. So 2 into 2 you will get 4. So that 2 you must write always as a coefficient of that particular molecule or a compound. Here H2 is a molecule. Now then hydrogen here 2 into 2 4 on the left hand side, and on the right hand side also 4. Balance. Next coming to the oxygen. Oxygen here how many are there? 2 are there. So this 2 represents for hydrogen and for oxygen also. So 2 oxygens are there. Now the number of atoms on the left hand side is equals to the number of atoms on the right hand side. So the equation is balanced. So this is the balanced equation. After getting, in the second step, you have to take the skeleton equation and balance it like by this table and trial and error method. You have to guess it, which number is suitable for that we have to guess it. Next, step 3. In the step 3, the ratio of the compounds, we make it into the short form. For example, here the ratio means 2 molecules of hydrogen and here 1 molecule of oxygen combines will get 2 molecules of water. So this number you cannot make into the short form, but sometimes you may get it as 10 molecules of hydrogen when it combines. Not only this, just rough I am telling. And if you take 6 molecules of this, and you will get 8 molecules of water. This is just rough estimation. So at this condition, you take the coefficients and you make it into the shortest form. So this 10 is to 6 is to 8, you take it. In this 3, which table is going, you do that. So 2 table is going 5 times, 3 times and 4 times. Then in 5 and 3 and 4 is any table is going? No. So this is the shortest form of the coefficients. So the ratio of the coefficients, you in the step 3, you in the equation after balancing the chemical equation, the coefficients you have to reduce into the smallest form. For some equations we must make it into the shortest form, and here already they are in the shortest form, so no need to make it into the shortest form. Understand? Next, coming to step 4. What is step 4? So we must write it if the coefficients are next, step 4. In the step 4, once again you have to recheck it. After doing this, the ratio of the coefficients in the shortest form, once again we have to recheck it whether the equation is balanced or not. So that final balanced equation you must write it in the step 4. So here already we got in the step 2 only, but sometimes some equations will get taking more steps. So the final balanced equation is 2H2 plus O2 gives rise to 2H2O. This is the final balanced equation. So like that, by step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, we must balance a chemical equation.